What is pi? Pi is a mathematical constant that almost everybody recognizes because at some point they were forced to use it to calculate the circumference and area of a circle. Pi is worth approximately 3.14159, but that's just the shortened version. And as Wikipedia put it, because pi is irrational, it has an infinite number of digits in its decimal representation, and it does not settle into an infinitely repeating pattern of digits. A brief history of pi. Some of the first calculations of pi were done by the ancient Babylonians. They calculated the area of a circle by taking 3 times the square of its radius, which gave a value of pi equal to 3. But a Babylonian tablet that dated somewhere between 1900 and 1680 years before Christ indicates a closer approximation of pi as 3.125. The Egyptians estimated that the value of pi was equal to 3.1605. And finally, somewhere between 287 and 212 years before Christ, Archimedes of Syracuse calculated pi's value to be 3.14159292.035. He knew that in manually measuring the perimeter or circumference of a circle would not be so reliable, as the measurement would be limited by one's ability to accurately measure around the curve. So, he started with what he knew, the perimeter of a square. He used a circle inside of a square inside of a circle, and gradually increased the points on the perimeter of the square, making it a polygon instead. The more sides, the closer the approximation of the curve of the circle. In the end, he had a polygon with 96 sides. What is Pi Day? Pi Day is an annual celebration of the mathematical constant pi. It is celebrated on March 14th since the date in numbers consists of the first 3 most significant digits of pi. Pi Day was founded by physicist Larry Shaw in 1988 at the San Francisco Exploratorium. 3 everyday uses of pi. Pi is used to calculate the area and circumference of a circle. Pi can be used to measure things like ocean waves, light waves, sound waves, etc., and is also used for global positioning. 3 fun facts about pi. The symbol for pi is the 16th letter of the Greek alphabet and is taken from the Greek word for perimeter. Pi Day also happens to be on the same day as Albert Einstein's birthday, being born on March 14, 1879. And finally, if you put a piece of paper in front of a mirror with the first 3 digits of pi written on it, it will read pi.